Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the top car phone adapters. Bluetooth technology allows you to simply sync wirelessly your phone to the car stereo system, which means you can listen to music or take calls easily and hands-free. We ranked Bluetooth car adapters on a number of different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. You can find the list of products in the description down below. Why not stick around to the end to see who hits the number one spot in our review. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. The Bluetooth car adapter coming in at number 5 is the Comsoon Bluetooth 5.0 adapter. This AUX car adapter is equipped with a Bluetooth 5 chip, which is great for hands-free calling with a built-in microphone and one MFB button to answer or redial. You can enjoy wireless hi-fi music with the built-in high-definition audio decoding chip and intelligent noise reduction tech. It is perfect when streaming. The Comsoon Bluetooth AUX car adapter has a dual connection, meaning two devices can be paired at the same time, plus it has up to 16 hours of battery life. Number 4 on our list is the Sumind wireless radio adapter. This wireless FM transmitter uses CVC technology to give you crystal clear sound and a stable connection, enabling you to enjoy music anywhere. To ensure hands-free safe driving, you can easily use either Siri or Google voice assistant functions, plus dual ports for a USB which can identify devices and a fast charging QC3 charger can identify devices. The Sumind Bluetooth FM transmitter comes in 5 colours and is a special design which has a 1.7-inch LCD backlit screen and a flexible gooseneck so that you can find the best view for you. The Bluetooth car adapter coming in at number 3 is the Anker Roav FM transmitter. This car adapter broadcasts audio on FM bandwidth so that you can stream and enjoy your music clearly through your car speakers or have a stable hands-free conversation while you drive. It has enhanced voice reception as its high sensitivity mic with advanced suppression means anyone you can call will hear you clearly. The Anker Roav FM transmitter has exclusive power IQ and voltage to provide 2 high-speed rapid charging ports. Number 2 is the LIHAN wireless Bluetooth car adapter. Play music in multiple ways, including using an FM signal from your Bluetooth devices, or you could use a TF card or USB flash disk, plus there is an anti-interference performance and CVC technology. The hands-free functions mean you can quickly and easily switch automatically from music when receiving a call. The LIHAN FM transmitter is compatible with iOS and Android phones, which can be easily charged using one of the 2 USB ports. Finally, coming in at number 1, the Bluetooth car adapter that we recommend is the Nulaxy wireless FM transmitter. This Bluetooth car adapter comes in 5 colours and has a big screen and buttons, and the 1.44 inches screen provides for more information and easy operation. The design uses noise cancellation technology and the hi-fi sound quality to give you crystal clear sound when listening to music or doing a hands-free call. The Nulaxy wireless FM transmitter has a flexible long gooseneck for an adjustable view and easy access for hands-free calling, plus it has 2 ports for charging. So that's it, the top 5 Bluetooth car adapters which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful tips for wireless audio connections in vehicles, do drop it in the comment section below. If you thought this video was useful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you and your projects again soon. Good luck.